Fish roe, also known as snow crab roe, is a delicious and nutrient-rich food that is popular in Japanese cuisine and many other parts of the world. Fish roe is high in protein, healthy fats, and vitamins, which can help improve overall health and support digestive health. In this article, we will explore the nutritional benefits of fish roe, how to prepare it, and the calories in common fish roe dishes. Nutritional benefits of fish roe. Protein. Fish roe is a high-quality source of protein. A 100-gram serving of fish roe contains about 20 to 25 grams of protein, making it an excellent source of this essential nutrient. Healthy fats. Fish roe is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower inflammation, improve heart health, and support brain function. Vitamins and minerals. Fish roe is a good source of vitamins B12 and D, as well as essential minerals like selenium and phosphorus. How to prepare fish roe. Fish roe can be prepared in many ways, including boiled, fried, grilled, or smoked. One popular way to enjoy fish roe is as sushi or sashimi. Another common dish is mentaiko, which is marinated and salted fish roe that is often served as a side dish or used as a condiment for rice dishes. Calories in fish roe dishes. The calorie content of fish roe dishes can vary depending on the preparation and portion size. For example, a typical serving of boiled or grilled fish roe contains approximately 100 to 150 calories. While a serving of mentaiko may contain around 200 to 300 calories due to the added salt and oil used in the preparation. Overall, fish roe is a delicious and nutritious food that can be enjoyed in many different ways. Incorporating fish roe into your diet can provide a range of health benefits, including improved protein intake, increased omega-3 fatty acid consumption, and essential vitamins and minerals. Fish roe, also known as fish eggs or caviar, is a popular delicacy in many parts of the world. It is a nutrient-rich food that contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, as well as omega-3 fatty acids. In this article, we will discuss the nutritional benefits of fish roe, as well as some popular ways to prepare and serve this delicious seafood. Nutritional benefits of fish roe. Fish roe is a rich source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Some of the key nutrients found in fish roe include omega-3 fatty acids. Fish roe is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining heart health and brain function. Omega-3s are also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, arthritis, and diabetes. Vitamin B12. Fish roe is one of the best dietary sources of vitamin B12, which is important for maintaining healthy nerve function and red blood cell production.